In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Xero subscription plan quickly and efficiently. Let's get started so you can enjoy the features of your new plan in no time. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account using a web browser. Make sure you have your login details ready, including your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your organization's dashboard, which is your main hub for all things Xero. Now, from this dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the subscription and billing section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your account details and making changes to your subscription. Look for an option that clearly directs you towards billing or subscription settings. If you're having trouble locating it, remember that it's often found in one of the main menu tabs, or possibly under account settings. Taking a moment here to familiarize yourself with the layout can save you time in the future. With the billing section open, you're just a few steps away from your goal. Next, you'll want to find the link or button that says Manage Subscription. Clicking on this will take you to a page with different plan options that Xero offers. Here, Xero provides a straightforward view of your existing plan, along with other available plans that might better suit your current needs. Take a moment to review the available options. Consider what features or services are essential for your specific use case to help you make the best decision. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and select the new plan that meets your requirements. Now comes an important part of the process: confirming and paying for your new plan. This step ensures that you're set up with the new features and services you're expecting. Carefully review all the details you see on the screen, such as the plan type, pricing, and billing cycle. It's a good practice at this stage to double-check everything to avoid any unexpected surprises later. Once you've reviewed your details, confirm your payment information. Make sure that everything is correct, including card numbers and billing addresses, so that the transaction processes smoothly. With all your ducks in a row, go ahead and complete the purchase. This final step will activate your upgrade, and just like that, you've successfully transitioned to your new Xero plan. Congratulations! You've now completed the process of upgrading your Xero subscription, unlocking more features and capabilities to help streamline your business's accounting needs. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional help, be sure to consult Xero's support resources or reach out to their customer service team. Thank you for tuning in, and happy accounting!